Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and let me share with you how to enable the TalkBack mode on this device. So firstly, let's open the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find the accessibility. On the very first position, we've got screen reader, and this is the name of the TalkBack in this device, so simply tap on it. And as you can see, by tapping on this switcher, we can turn on the voice assistant. But before I will do it, let me take a look at the tutorial, or actually not. You can tap on it and go through it and learn how to use this mode, but later on I will show you. And under it, again, we've got the settings, and let's enter here, because here we can customize this mode actually. So as you can see here, you can, for example, decide if you'd like to speak the passwords, if you'd like to read caller ID aloud, you can set the sound feedback, you can change even the color of the focus indicator. What's more, you can manage custom labels, you can change the keyboard shortcuts, so actually a lot of options which we can customize. Of course, it works like in the whole device, so if you'd like to turn off something, just tap on the switcher and now it is inactive, and after tapping on it again, you can turn it on. So just have fun with this section, and now let me turn on the voice assistant. And all you have to do is simply tap on the switcher here. Now your device is telling you that the TalkBack, the voice assistant, needs to have full control of your device, so it has to view and control the screen and view and perform actions. So all you have to do is simply tap on allow, and actually double tap, because it was the moment when the TalkBack is turned on. And as I said, if you will turn on the TalkBack for the very first time, then your device will open the tutorial, and of course right now you can go through it and learn how to use this mode, how to use the tutorial, how to explore the screen. As you can see, you've got listed all items which you will learn, but I will show you the shortcut of it, because for example, you've accidentally turned on the TalkBack mode and you have no idea what you can do in order to choose something, and you have no idea how to turn it off. So first of all, let me show you how to use something, or how to enter something, for example the app, because you can do it the same way. So all you have to do is simply tap on the option you'd like to use. You'll see a blue frame around it, and of course hear the feedback from your device, and then double tap in order to activate. As you can see, we just got back to the screen reader, so we can double tap again to get back. And we are in the accessibility, so let me go back to the general settings, and here we are. And now I can show you how to swipe, and all you have to do is simply to put two fingers on the screen and swipe, just like that. It's very easy here. I mean, this way is very easy, because you can do it another way, but in my opinion, the first option is much easier. So of course you can choose which one you like the most. So actually, as I said, here we've got the basics of it. So now you can know how to enter something and how to swipe, and that's all you need to know in order to, for example, turn off the TalkBack. So let me do it. Let's get back to accessibility. Tap on it and double tap. Now let's tap on the screen reader, double tap, tap on the switcher, double tap, and tap on turn off and double tap. And the voice assistant is off. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the TalkBack mode in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.